Hello everyone, this is my homework. Hey John, long time no see. Yes, long time no see, Victor. What have you been? I'm very hurt. My girlfriend broke up with me yesterday. I'm sorry to hear that. I think you should drink or eat something to make mood better. And tell me what happened. Thank buddy. I want to drink mere tea. Okay, let's go to drink tea.